Hi listeners, Shakti Group of Colleges, Shakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Shakti Nagar Palakanotu, Ottanchakkiram, Dindikal. N. Vishwinani, first year, Shakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Ottanchakkiram, Dindikal, paper, Contemporary India and Education. Unit 2, Educational Demands of Individual and Diverse Communicatives. Part 4, Four Pillars of Education as Viewed by Dealers Commission Report. Dealers Report 1996 Learning the Treasure with Reformers to View of Education. Education Commission 1964 when it is learning to harnessing treasure within according to Dealer's report. Heartbeat of society. Learning to know, learning to do, learning together, learning to be. Constitute four pillars education, mutual understanding, increasing and harmony taken, social aims of education. Dealers Commission learning to know, learning to do, learning to do together, learning to be. Four pillars of education. What are the four pillars of education? Four pillars of learning. Learning to know, learning to live together, learning to do, learning to be. Learning to know first pillar. Learning to know implies learning how to learn, developing on concentration, memory skills, and ability to think. Learning to know, learning to involve development of language skills needed function in the world. Components concentration, giving one attention thought of single object activity. Memory, thinking load related from the one activity experience evidence by recall and recognizing. Thinking, using one mind, produce ideas, decision, memories, etc. The development of memory skills, excellent tool they considering the overpowering stream of instant information put off my media. Thinking is something children is the first parents, next teacher. Interactive reasoning and deductive reasoning is the classroom teaching. Summing of learning to know denotes ability to get knowledge and information, neither work a globalized information. Society of language economic to develop cognitive skills require learning to learn independently acquiring language. Learning to do second pillar. Learning to do it disperse putting language learning to participants inviting through skills development potential know-how development of competence life skills personal qualities aptitudes attitudes. Personal competence includes skills social behavior personal attitude willingness to take risks communication skills problem solving skills skill of adaptability social responsibility leadership experience rapport with others interest to move with others amicably life skills skills of attitude required functions as a group social behavior personal attitude willingness to take risks, communication skills. Communication is the exchange information idea between participant to parent character. Good communication makes implement easier, improves in complex types of communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, problem of solving skills, skills of adaptability, social responsibility, leadership skills, life skills, learning to live together, third pillar. Learning to live together. Learning to live together is this harmony with the dynamic and lifelong process of interlaced and participate. The process begins with the development of inner species in the mind's heart, individual engaged with the search for truth, knowledge, and understanding. Identifying the human diversity, teacher explain the human diversity to students. All classrooms are filled with the diversity. It is the important know there is two people students who learn exactly the same. Recognizing the difference his own personal beliefs that their students should lead a good teacher to know more about culture of groups he or she teaching have high expectation for every student regardless of color and station in life. School subjects like history, geography, foreign language, literature, religion, history, education, etc. teach students similarity, difference exists among human groups, independence among human groups, involving students in common projects that benefit the society. Education should prepare the students lead useful purpose in the society. Democracy is the way of life. Values are learned by the students are non-violence, cooperative, citizen attitude, expecting human diversity, focusing the common elements, understanding the necessity. Learning to be fourth pillar. Learning to be refer development all dimension, complete person, complete fulfillment of man, richness of personality, complexity, form of experience, various communities. Students their childhood receive attention, develop their independent, critical thinking, judgment, make minds to course of action, different circumstances is the healthy with a strong civic view. Believes holistic integrated approach educating the human person, fundamental education contribute their development of whole person towards scientific humanism, common science command of scientific thought and language become indissoluble today. Citizen New Million must learn scientific humanist creativity, preserving their ideas original creative along with their realism towards social community. Preparing intelligent society moving him her confront moral intellectual to effective universe. towards the complete man. Respects man of silence of personality and still education individual develop the himself, yourself as well as from others. Thanking you.